Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. We will get started in 3 minutes. Hello, guys. Hello, hello, hello. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and I'll be with you all, right? Post some questions, tickers, all of it. Let's retweet. Let's get 500 people in here today. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Right, what up, guys? Hello, hello, hello. What up, Mohammed? What up, Marcus? DJT, I think it's yeah, exactly. I'm just gonna watch it today. I'm gonna see how it goes. DJT fun. I mean, technicals is nothing with DJT and fun, especially with the election. So we'll see. Apparently, it's head to head. It's tied right now. So we will see what happens. You know, here we go. The day is finally here. That's right. ELAB 0.3 at open. I have if it closes above there, yeah, probably, but it's 3 cents. I would never be touching something that's 3 cents, to be honest, but up to you. Yeah, but if you had to take it, yeah, probably above $3 would be best. Piton, nothing on this. It's still bearish, right? If it is bullish, it needs to break this high here, which is at $8, but you know that we have a resistance here at 785. We can just put it like this. So yeah, close above 785. That would be good for possible entries. But other than that, nothing right now. We can see it's trending down. You know, you don't want to be buying something when it is trending down. So Piton, wait for 785, break and close above. All right. So wait for that, and then you can look for possible entries. Do you think it will go up? No. I'll have to have a look. NUWE. NWE, there's nothing on this. The 1 hour time frame, you just have, it needs to close about 312. Right now, there's nothing. I don't know what will happen here, because right now it's just ranging up, down, up, down, up, down. Very difficult to, you know what's going to happen here. But I can tell you, if it closes about 312, that would probably be a good entry point, and then maybe you can push to the upside and fill this wick at 419. But nothing now. I would not consider an entry here at all. I would leave it alone. All right. What up? What up, Mark? Hello, hello, hello. What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Right here. Let me have a look and see what else is going on. What up, Mark? Hello, Tiger. This is Murky from Discord. What up, Lucifer? What up, brother? What up, what up, what up, what up? So, Murky joined Discord recently. Loving it, learning a lot, Yeah, I'm not going to trade DJ, just watch. Yeah, I know. Might take some lotters at open, we'll see, but it's gonna be a hold fest. This reminds me of that game in AMC. But we will have to wait and see. BNOX. Yeah, BNOX broken out here. Crazy move. This thing was absolutely insane. Called this in the Discord. I sold for 20% and around like 50+%. We have 0.55 and then 0.725. So let's see, we have this here. Just gonna remove these levels, not really important right now. So we have that. Demand zone could be this maybe. I wouldn't even use a demand zone right now, but this is what we have, 0.42. Yeah, these are your levels right now. 0.5 is obviously that big psychological level. We've broken above this. If it closes above here on the 5 minute, this should continue to go up. So yeah, I would definitely keep this one on watch. So we'll see. BNOX close above 0.5 could be good entries on the 5 minute time frame. So BNOX close above 0.5 would be nice entries. Scale out as you go. Aim for 5%. So once this candle closes in 1 minute 22, if it closes above, fantastic. If it doesn't, if the body does not close above, you do not enter. Simple. All right. BNOX CTM, is this back alive or is it still dumping? Yeah, CTM, low volume. Yeah, nothing on CTM, unfortunately. Nothing on this, no volume. Leave it. Sorry, Fred. Thanks, OSC. Nice, lovely. ADN. We have 4 hour ADN, nothing really, to be honest. It needs to break this downtrend we have. It's above VWAP. Yeah, it's just a bit of a choppy chart. Volume is coming in. We can see that from the push to the upside here. These dots, low volume, high volume coming in. Former runner from yesterday. I would just keep it on watch, but definitely the market today is going to be very difficult. I've told every single member in the Discord to not trade. And if they trade and they're red, they know exactly why, right? They're going to be red because the price action will not be the same. So I recommend that you do the same, all right? I recommend that you do the same. It's just one day. You don't have to trade every day. Yes, I understand some people, they think this is a fantastic time to trade, and that's great. If they like the volatility and it works for their style, then that's great. But for me, the way setups are, I don't expect players to follow through as much with the trading style that I personally trade. So yeah, up to you though, guys, up to you. You are in control of your account, but just remember, if you are red, you're going to be annoyed because you know that this is a day where you probably will be red. Oh, you could make great money as well if you can get into the right place. BNOX, just scared myself. Yeah, BNOX and Sade. Ather still looking good for close about 0.66, gap fill. Ather's here. Yeah, it needs to close about 0.66, then gap fill, correct, yes. But needs volume in order for that to happen. Obviously, no volume, it won't do anything, right? ALBT, what's happening with this? ALBT is pulling back. Maybe a falling wedge. I'm just going to use a downtrend in this sense. So break above downtrend, entries. So ALBT, close above downtrend equals entries, right? No close above equals no entries. What's scary day? Please give me a BT. BT is crypto. If Trump wins, crypto is going to go nuts. That is my opinion. I don't know what will happen, but that is what I think will happen. All right, so that goes for BTT or BTBT. That goes for HUT, Maracan, Riot, BKKT, CLSK, all of those plays. All the blockchain stocks, right, that run with Bitcoin, they will probably run. I also think oil plays will run as well, which is INDO, HUSA, HUSA, RIG, MRO, Indo, maybe even CEI. Market's gonna be all over the place. Probably GAIN and all them. All the meme stocks will probably run. The thing's gonna be a broke. It's gonna break the market. Just made 30%. Lovely. Totes, I saw that on Discord. Happy for you, bro. You. Good morning, good morning. Okay, thanks. Why don't I listen to Tiger yesterday? Yeah, I didn't trade all yesterday. And the funny thing was, I gave 3 setups in the Discord. So setups are where I just share charts like this and I tell members, okay, you can enter here. This is your entry now. Wait for close above whatever. And 3 that I gave actually hit, which was funny. So yeah, it's always easy to chart and not getting the trades, but I'm just staying disciplined until this is over. It's just 1 or 2 days. I'm not really fussed. It is what it is. What I think of DJT, I don't know, bro. I really have no idea what will happen. I can't tell you. The chart is bullish. That's all I can tell you. But technicals based on what's going on with elections is impossible to tell, to be honest. So if anyone's going to give you a price target and all that shit, please, you know, if you believe that, fair enough. But no one can tell you what price a stock is going to go to, especially when the high volatility and then there's these elections that are going to impact the market. Technicals go completely out the window. Completely. Yeah, so BNOX, very simple. As I just said, I told you guys, I'm literally giving you guys free money, closed above, and you went up 9%. So you should be nice and green for the day. Now you can go back home or go wherever you want. Go get yourself coffee, tea, you know, go party, go do whatever you want and go call it a day. It's green, lovely. That's it. I traded pre-market. I took 2 trades and that was it. 2 green and I was done. Pre-market was fantastic actually, but I'm still just not going to trade. I'm just going to stick to my plan. But yeah, close above. Look, the candle closed above. Do you see the body? The body of this closed above. That is not a close above, right? This is a close above. The body closed above. No body closed above. Close above. No close. No entry. Entry. No entry. Entry. You see? So plus 9% on that. Congratulations, you can all go and party. Take the day off. So if you won $1,000, you made $100, up 10%. BNOX, congrats. Congrats. Okay, thanks. What do you think of BNOX? Almost got BTOX. Can you do SPPL? Joined this live stream a little late yesterday. Late today. SPPL, we have to clean this chart up. Now we're in a downtrend. Can start from this high. I might go, yeah, we'll start from this high here. Go through this candle wick. It's the 8 AM candle, so I'm not interested in that. Maybe we have something like this. Possibly this could be a wedge here. Is there a demand zone in place? Yes, there is around here. So this is the demand zone. Last red candle for the move to the upside. We have it here. So we'll see what it does do. Any psychological level, 150, 160. So if you guys want to understand how candles work, I've just done a whole seminar on it in the Discord. So all Discord members have access to that. They can watch that seminar which I've just released, which is episode 4, which is cool. It's understanding what a strong bottom wick is, what a top wick is, bottom, what a strong green candle is, red candle, so on and so on. All right, so this needs to close green in order for this to be an area of support, so you can wait and see what happens. AGFY. Let me have a look at this. Market is definitely going to heat up after elections, which is nice. And then it's time to close off the Discord and make the spots closed for, I think in January we might close the Discord for probably a couple months and just keep the members in there and just go hard, which is something we'll probably do. I'll let you guys know exactly what we're doing with that though. Okay, 535 close above on AGFY. Looks good though. AGFY close above 535. Can enter. No close above, no entry. All right. Candle needs to close above this, so we can add it to the watch list. It's $4. Fantastic. Something over $1. Lovely. I think it's going to rain here in Dubai. Let me have a check. It looks like it's going to rain outside. Clear conditions. No, I don't know what's going on. Just weird weather. HFI, yeah, I think I'm good for the day. Get some breakfast. I would do it. Living the dream. That's what I would do. The candle video was good. Well done. Glad you like it, Randy. It just helps you, especially when I talk about the confluences and things. It will definitely help you understand, what each candle is. So now you can, be prepared. So when you're looking at what this means, you can understand and so on. And it helps you, Previously, maybe you would have entered there. Now you know that you shouldn't enter there because of so on, So it's very good to just understand that. You don't need to know all the candlestick patterns and all that kind of stuff. If you want to go into that depth, you can. But I just teach and show what I use and pretty much just, focus on that. Because if you know all of these doji candles, all these morning stars and all these kind of chart or candlestick patterns, you're going to get so confused. Or not even if you'll get confused, you're waiting for this setup to happen and then you miss it. And then when you had this, you could have entered, but you were waiting for a certain pattern and all that shit. By the time you enter, the stock's around 50% and you missed your move and you're going to be upset. That's just the way I think of it. That's why when people use the RSI, MACD, bullish diversions, Bollinger Bands, all that, they are all lagging indicators. Yes, they can give you an extra confluence for your entries, but they definitely are, right? Not the best thing. You need to learn proper price action. That's the most important thing, in my opinion. Understand price action. Yeah, you'll see the seminars as well aren't that long, right? I'm not going into so much depth because you don't need to go into so much depth. I literally simplify it very simply, so anyone who literally joined the Discord today or just started trading today can say, okay, this is what a green candle is. That's what it means when a candle looks like that. Cool. Can I enter there? No, don't enter. Bang. I'm not saying, okay, this is the probability. Maybe this is the chance that you can enter here when there's this and this and this. Like, no. It's too much when there's a green, red, blue, orange, purple candles. Like, it's too much going on, for me personally. Here, ZVSA, wait for close above 305. Close above 305 can be your entry. The candle must do this. I say it all the time, but just for those who still don't understand, the candle body needs to close above. The body does not close above. Entry, no entry. Entry, no entry. Entry, no entry. Entry, no entry. Right? Everybody should understand that by now. ALBT, what's going on here? We're right at VWAP. No reason to enter. You do not buy when a stock is this close to VWAP. There is a higher probability, right? There is a higher probability that this stock will reject and come down. So you are not going to enter here because if you enter here, you will probably lose. Now, if it closes above, you can use the same thing as what I just explained with the candle body, okay? If the candle body closes above like this, okay, fantastic. If it doesn't and it rejects, then you do not enter. Use VWAP as an area of support or resistance. VWAP is right here. You can wait for this body to close above. If it does not close above, do not enter, okay? Simple. So if it's above it, right now it's below it. That means it's bearish. That means that you shouldn't be entering the trade here, right? Because there's a higher probability it will go down. Now, if it closes above, there's a higher probability it will go up. If a stock is above VWAP, it's bullish. If a stock is below VWAP, it's bearish. Gas stocks. I know oil, Husa, Indo, IMRO, Rig, CEI. But you can go into FinViz and type in the sector, bro, as well. AGFY, what's going on? VWAP. Bro, you buying even with election? No, I'm not doing it. No, bro. I only traded pre-market. I took 2 trades. 2 trades I took pre-market, which were good. But I won't be trading today. Discord members probably won't be trading either. But I will be sharing setups for people in the Discord. So telling them where they can enter and so on. But yeah, I would just chill it. It's just one day. Like, people think they have to trade every single day. Like, just relax. It's one day. It's one day of 4 years that you need to do to take a day off, if anything, Like, yes, of course, I understand you can make a lot of money in this, but a lot of people who are trading are very you know, that they're starting out, especially people who follow me, they're still learning. So trading in this conditions is very difficult because they're not going to have a stop loss and they're down 30% and they keep buying and it keeps going down. They start freaking out and crying. You know, you need to understand how to manage your risk. Yes, I can probably trade in this, but my focus is to show discipline to the Discord members and to show that, you know, a day like this, there's no real need to trade. It's okay. It's fine. The market's not going anywhere. It's going to be back here tomorrow and the next day and so on. Right? But obviously there is opportunity, and if you would like to trade, you are more than welcome to. I'm not saying you don't need to. BNOX 0.5 retest. Let's see, broke above, retesting here. Now we should continue to go up if we are going to hold this level. What is VWAP? Where is VWAP? Sorry, so VWAP, maybe we'll pull back to VWAP here. This would be probably good entries, as I just explained on a previous chart. If a stock is above VWAP, it will use this as support, and that means that it's bullish. So it will go up, go down, look, up, use VWAP and push up. So come down to VWAP, use it as a trampoline, down, bounce off. If it's below it, go to VWAP and reject. You see? Below VWAP, rejection. Above VWAP, push. You see? That's it. Resistance, support. Look, here like this. Right, we have here. And support. So look, support, resistance. Now, stock is below VWAP. VWAP gets to VWAP, rejection. Above VWAP, uses VWAP as support, push up. You see? That's it. Now, if the candle closes above here, right? Let's say this candle closes above VWAP here. Entry. Why? Because it's broken above a resistance. Now it should go up. Okay. Now, if it holds this here above like this, fantastic. You can enter to continue to go up. That's it. Simple as that. AGFY. Very, very nice. Close above VWAP should be good. You should get that wick fill at 647, which is like, what, 30%? Sorry, not 30%, 15%. Oh, 648. I thought it was 338. Here we go. Looks good, AGFY. So now we can understand, right? What's happening is that volume is coming in to this play at open. It's up 73%. That's good. There's a probability that the stock can run. Does that mean you're going to buy now and try and get in before everyone else? No, because that means you're just trying to, you know, there's no confirmation that this will continue to go up. For me personally, I would wait because it can easily come down into open and come down like this. People can sell off like this, and then you can look for your entry around here, and then maybe it will push up, right? You're buying near the highest point of the day. Highest point. That means you are chasing if you're buying at the highest point. Unless you've got some kind of magical indicator, then fair enough, you can enter. But yeah, SPPL looks great. I would look for entries here. I would have a 5% stop loss and like a 5% target. So we got 5% target stop loss. So 158 stop loss. So 158 stop loss, right? I'll just give you an example here. 158 stop loss. Then you have 5% target, so 176. Right? That's how you trade it. This is called a one-to-one risk to reward, meaning if you go with $100, you can make $5 or you can lose $5. That's it. So you can see, I think VWAP's in the way. No, VWAP's up there. Yeah, so we will see. Right, BNOX, what's happening? Very, very nice. The yellow line is working, as it does most of the time. BNOX paid for the mortgage. BNOX paid for the mortgage for Mr. J in the Discord. Legend. Sue. DJT. DJT. Who did everyone vote for? What's going on here? What do we think is going to happen? Who's going to win the elections? I don't care at all. But I'm just curious to see, what is everyone thinking? ZVSA, let me have a look. DJ2. ZVSA, let me have a look. How's it looking? ZVSA, look here, nothing, right? You don't want to be trading here. Like, look, you don't know what's going on. Like, in this situation, you don't know what's going on. It's like ranging. Like, you don't want to do anything. But, right, you know that if a body of a candle closes above here, then it'll probably retest and continue to go up. So that's what you need. So that's what I would suggest. AGFY, very, very nice. Look, if you enter this trade, I know one person in the Discord got in because they just DM'd me and said thank you for AGFY, because they listen and they know what they need to do with this trade. I tell you this, guys, every single day, and you should be learning this by now, because I see 99% of you all coming here, the same people, every day, all the time. When the body closes above, you can enter the trade. If you did that, you are in the Bahamas, because this just ran 23%. Thank you. Come again. Who took this trade? If you did, fantastic job. Literally gave this to you 12 minutes ago on Twitter, on YouTube. I explain to you what you need to do on this every single day. If you don't know what you need to do on this, please go back and understand what you need to do on this. It's a very simple strategy. You know, my goldfish that I have, right? He can even take this. He is richer than everyone here because he's listening and understanding. Once you close above, he took the trade. Another one from the Discord, Maya, well done. Fantastic job. Very, very easy, learning what we're teaching and, you know, making money. 20%, easy money. Easy, easy, easy. Very simple. 5 minute close above, entry. I did the exact same thing and I explained the exact same thing on, which one was it? BNOX, closed above, then you got your what? I don't know what it was, 5%, whatever it was. 10%. So well done, everybody. Like up the stream. Yeah, I said don't buy AGFY because I said don't buy it because it's near the highest point of the day, because there was no confirmation. You cannot buy something when it hasn't, the candle hasn't closed. The candle did not close here, so it doesn't give me confirmation that this is a breakout. This was a resistance, okay? So when there's a resistance, you don't buy into resistance. If the candle didn't close above and it rejected like this, okay, then there was no entry. The fact that this closed above on the 5 minute, this was when you could have entered the trade. So close above here confirms there is a breakout, confirming that there is a higher probability that it will go up. That's it. So closed above here, entry. That's it. But when I'm saying like now buying it, you're not going to buy it now because there's no, you're buying into a resistance. There's no confirmation this will continue to go up. You don't know what's going on. This was your confirmation to enter and look for your 5% from there. Same now with this. If this closes red, then this will be your resistance like that. If the next candle closes above, you can look for your entry to go up. That's how it is. But you don't want to buy something because it's just like in the middle here. You're not going to buy it because it's going down, right? For me, I don't know how to trade something like this because I don't have confirmation. I would have been in here once it's closed above, around here, 540, 545. But if the candle was here and I said it was too high or whatever, then I probably wasn't looking properly. I wasn't really paying attention. But when something has closed above a resistance, there is a high probability it'll go up. That's it. Whether it's at the highest point of the day or not, it's fine. It doesn't matter. But if it closes above a resistance, that is your entry point. But yeah, if I didn't make it clear, I didn't make it clear. But yeah, close above a resistance equals entries. BNOX, we'll see. I think BNOX needs VWAP. It's right here, VWAP 0.455. I would wait, if I was to take this, I'd wait for a close above 0.5 because this is a psychological level. A break and close above a psychological level, high probability will go up. That's my thought process behind this. You also have a falling wedge setting up, so it looks good. What is this? AJ4 key levels. Let's see what SPPL is doing. Chilling. DJT, what's it gonna do? So look here, DJT, here's your resistance, right? So if the 5 minute closes above this resistance, then you can look for possible entries. You don't want to be buying here, right? I wouldn't use this as a resistance. Yes, it is a resistance, but the reason why I wouldn't use here, because then you have this in the way, then you have this in the way. Close above here, then you have clean range to the upside. You want to make it as easy as possible. Trying to buy here, make a 2% is not worth it. Close above here, you can make an easily 10, 20%. 38, 35 is entries on DJT. Close above. Above, if I can spell above correctly. One day off, yeah, I do the same. I'm terrible at, well, my weakness is selling too early. I always sell too early, but I've got much better. To be honest with you, I have gotten a lot better, which I'm happy about, but it's still a work in progress. So look, now look, this was resistance, right? You see this whole blue line that I've drawn here? So now what will happen? An area of resistance will now, or should, right, become support. What happens when this is support? We know the famous yellow line. So we've broken above the resistance. We're going to retest this now as support and hopefully push up. It's not going to come to exactly 535. It might go to 560. It might come down to 495, right? This is just your range area, right, where there is a probability that it can come to. So this area here, right, is maybe a good buy area. Now, if you understand and watch the seminar in the Discord about candlesticks, you will understand what candlesticks you need to look for to identify when it's reversing and when you can look for your possible entries. You see? How about ZVSA? I've gone over ZVSA. For me, nothing on it. Yes, maybe it's pushing up, but I don't have any confirmation yet. It's right below VWAP. If I had to take the trade, maybe a close above VWAP, but I would personally wait for a close above 305. That's it. Volume is coming in. It looks very, very good. But as I always say, I don't like to buy when I'm right at resistance like this. So yeah, close above here, 280 to 305. You have some room. What's that, 10%? 8%. You have 8% from here. So if a candle closes above, you can take 5%. Because if it closes above here, you have pretty much range to $3. But if I was you, I would wait for 305. Then you have range to fill these wicks at 340. Yeah, being holding profit a little more tough. Yeah. What I've been doing is to adjust it. I sell like 80% of my position at first target. So like 80% at like 3 to 5%. And then if it keeps going, I'll hold. And if I'm always like, oh, this is where I sell, I hold and then I'll sell. But there's no like exact percentage where I finish selling my position. That's it. Wow, local polling places jam-packed. Yeah, regular consensus trades will lead to them. Yeah, I'm the same. I'm the same. But I always look in hindsight, I'm like, yeah, but it could go the other way, and then what? I'm like, you know. CVSA on trading. I don't know. T212 limits a lot of shit. I don't know what's going on with that stuff. Hassie Trades uses it. CGC, yeah, weed plays. This is for Kamala, right? She likes this. She says she's gonna legalize weed or whatever. I don't know exactly what her deal is, but yeah. 562, let's just put 565, psychological level. 565, close above 565, then we can see. But yeah, there's a big resistance here. This is almost a double top, which is a bearish reversal pattern. So let's see. You have this, then you have around $6, then like 630 or 650, sorry. 6 and 650 CDC key levels. But yeah, it's good to keep this one on watch for sure. Good eye. Same as Tilray and ACB. Key levels. All right, I need to head into the Discord. Let me go through this, and then I'm done. BNOX moving up. So yeah, you guys need to get the terminology right here. This has broken, right, above it. But in order for this to have a higher probability of going up, it needs to close above here. The body needs to close above 0.5. That confirms that there is a breakout. If it does not close above 0.5, that is not a breakout. That is called a fake out. Huge wick rejection comes down. Look what happens when you have a strong top wick at the top. Strong top wick down, strong top wick down, strong top wick down, strong top wick down, strong top wick. You know, you see that's the difference. Another, you can double click and see possible percentage to upside. Is there a way to do on mobile app? Yeah, it's called measure tool on Webull. You go to draw and then you choose measure, and there's like a ruler. Trying to learn or notice quicker than a trade is potential 3% more than a small one. Yo, you shouldn't be holding trade for 1% move. 1% move? I don't know. I don't know how to. Yeah, 1% gain. You need to just hold for that 5%. Just hold. Have a 5% target, 5% stop loss. If it hits your stop loss or hits your target, that's all you do. Don't sell early. Don't sell late. All those things. Right, as we can see now, BNOX is rejecting. People probably try to enter here because they don't listen, because it didn't close above. That is why I always say you need to wait for confirmation. This is looking like a fake out. There's no confirmation that this has broken out and that it will continue to go up. You see the difference? That's a huge difference in trading. Someone would have entered here. For me, no chance in hell when I'm trading there. All right. Okay, let me go through this SPPL. This still looks good. I like it. Falling wedge. We're getting very, very good setups. AGFY, very nice. Doing exactly what I expected before it even happened. I think it was up here at $6. ZVSA, very, very nice. Closed above. You can look for 5%. You should get it. ALBT is looking good. Holding support, $4. Nice. DJT, 38.35. Fun. That's it. All right. Okay, guys. Have a fantastic day. Discord guys, I'll catch you in a bit. Gonna have a more of a, you know, during seminar today, we'll have a lot more educational side as opposed to trading today, because obviously I'm not going to trade today, but I will give setups. But just going to teach you guys where you can enter and those kind of things. All right, so catch you in the Discord, guys. If you want to join the Discord, here is the link right over here. This is the WAP link. Once you join the WAP, make sure that you click claim Discord access. Get that, watch the intro video, then you're all set for the Discord, and then also watch the seminar videos in your own time. All right, have a great day. See you all tomorrow. Peace out.